There's a storm you're starting now, and there's a storm you're starting now, and there's a storm you're starting. I'm a wanderlust, I'm a one-night stand. Don't belong to no city, don't belong to no man. I'm the wanderlust in the pouring rain. I'm a hurricane. You guys are awesome. Super awesome. Wow. I wasn't expecting this from you guys tonight, if I'm being honest. You are bringing a vibe that I did not expect you to bring. So here's the part of the show where I just want to talk to you guys about something for a second. Is that okay? This tour has been a huge eye-opener for me in a lot of reasons, and in a lot of ways. And one of those reasons is that we started this tour in Orlando, Florida, a couple weeks after the tragedy that struck there. And it was a hard thing for me to do, was to sit backstage and to think about how I needed to come out here and sing these stupid songs in this stupid outfit when there's so much happening in the world. And I've been giving this speech every night, and it's kind of evolved into a different thing depending on where I am. But the one thing that this speech always has in common is that I hope that the best thing about coming to a Halsey concert is not the cool colors, is not the tiny shorts. I hope it's that you can stand in the crowd and that you can feel 100% proud of the person that you are. Because music is not a place for fear, and I certainly will not allow it here at my concert. This is a place for people to be comfortable. This is a place for people to be themselves. And most importantly, the whole point of the Badlands is that this is a place for you to escape. Okay? And if you have a problem with that, I would love to assign a security guard to walk you out right now. And if Hessa P is gonna hold it now, so they don't expect the asshole to do anything. I just said that. I got a couple songs left for you guys, but I just want you to know how much I love you and how important it is to me that you are proud of yourselves. The individualities in all of you are what makes music possible, because music wouldn't exist if all of us were the same. So thank you for being you. Thank you. This is coming down